We have always wanted superpowers, and today, like your fairy godfather, I'm going to show you a superpower that every community should have. Hi everyone, welcome to our new video where we'll be talking about something we all want but never give. Referrals, aka your must-have community superpower. Honestly speaking, very few large companies have achieved massive scale through traditional techniques, especially consumer companies. Marketing strategies like advertising have large costs of acquisition and are used to amplify a technique that most people don't even realize exists. This technique has been the darling of Silicon Valley growth experts since time immemorial. And we're going to break it down in this video. So let's dive in with a story. You've probably heard of a nutrition company, Herbalife. It receives a lot of hate mail for using a technique called MLM, which stands for multi-level market. Now, I'm a Ronaldo fan, and I believed Ronaldo could solve any problem just until now. Despite having Ronaldo as a brand ambassador, Herbalife does not grow primarily through brand ambassador deals like his. I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend all you Ronaldo fans out there, but that's the truth. Instead, the company grows through MLM because financially motivated people are better salespeople than celebrities when engaged correctly. Now that I've brought up this concept, let me tell you how MLM works. One person sells to two. Each of those two sell to a few more, and so on. Basically, you create an infinite chain of people that keeps selling, and each level earns a commission from all levels below it. Advertising follows linear curves. Suppose each install costs you $1. That's going to remain true even at scale. We're ignoring ad inflation costs here. Unlike linear curves, exponential curves can get massive with zero costs. By massive, I mean really massive. Bigger than Hulk when he's angry. In fact, another one of our superstars in referral marketing, Dropbox, failed at advertising and other common techniques. But it reached a landmark of 700 million users using only referral marketing. To understand how this happens, let me give you some extra knowledge about startup marketing. If one user brings on less than one user, the app or community won't grow. If one user brings just one other user, the app or community doesn't grow fast. But if one user brings more than one other user, boom, your app or community will be viral in no time. So how do we use referrals in business? Well, a long time before we put up YouTube videos, we ran a product agency. We used to employ a little trick for client referrals whenever it came to billing time. We'd give our clients an option: refer another business to hire developers from us, and we'll give you a MacBook as a personal gift if they convert. This turned out to be an awesome technique because we not only employed referrals, we also gave people a personal incentive. We could have easily given their business a MacBook, but the decision maker is not going to care about it because he doesn't personally get the MacBook. Even if he gave you referrals, he won't care about conversions. When we flipped things around and gave people rewards, they would usually put in a good word with the other businesses they're friends with because there is a personal incentive to the referral. So remember one thing. With communities, referrals are like the wheels of a car you're building. A community without referrals is like a car with bricks for wheels. No matter how much you push this car above using sales or content or advertisements, it simply isn't going to move far because it cannot continue to generate momentum. Now, what if we take marketing through referrals one step further with content creators? Influencers and content creators are much cheaper than running ads on various social media channels. They also have a much higher advert click-through rate. This high rate is a result of public trust that the influencers enjoy. Thus, people trust them more than any random ad in their feed. So in a way, It's kind of like referral marketing on a whole load of caffeine. Media Kicks has reported that 71% of marketers believe that influencer marketing is better because of the quality of leads. Moreover, customers and traffic is better when derived from influencers. This is because they provide an opportunity to tap into a watering hole, one where your prospective community members gather. The following a creator has amassed is a curated cohort of members. They all tend to have similar interests and user behaviors. In fact, many brands and businesses are now recognizing the power of influencers. We can vouch for this because the Scenes team has helped dozens of businesses by tying them up with homegrown creators. Traditional celebrity endorsements have actors who come across as acting the role, but creators come across as a lot more authentic.